prices were tough to swallow, but sometimes humor is just what we need.
Hey, you gotta laugh to keep from crying.
That's
sometimes.
true.
Check it out.
Pirates at the gas pump. It's pretty plain to see. Won't be taking no vacation, 'cause they've got their hooks in me.
I think for all of history, songs and jokes are ways of dealing with tough times.
I know this may sound funny, I can't believe it's true. Politicians tell us there's little we can do.
I think it's how people share and it's how people feel a little stronger.
You give people a camera in a crisis and they commiserate, but they're also getting really creative.
Well, we got paid at the pump. They think that we're all chumps. They're playing games with the price of crude. They're not just pumping oil. They're drilling me and you. The big man's getting rich and the little man's getting screwed.
I mean, how many times can you go on TV and talk about gas prices are up, gas prices are up?
Oh, we got paid at the pump. My wallet's to the slump.
It makes it so much easier to illustrate the story when you've got these little ditties that people are putting together.
Well, raise it up to 4, they're gonna lower it down to 2. We're not stupid, we know what they're doing.